everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. My name is Arlene. Today I'm going to be reviewing this curtain rod, but let's go ahead and get right into this. So I'm going to put a clip of me actually installing it right now. Okay, and so that's what it looks like once it's done. Let me go ahead and shut the curtains. You can see a little better. Has that really beautiful end piece. And it's actually really long. Let me go ahead and step back. Close it, and then I'm going to step back. So as you can see, this is a super big sliding glass door, and it covers it perfectly fine. And then that actually extends out even a little more if you have even bigger doors. But yeah, that completes this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye. God bless.